All right, I'm going to work on trying to get this glue off of this where this seal was. I put some of this, like it's a totally awesome, awesome cleaner on there. And let's see if we can't get that. It's just that seal glue is what it's on there. This is a hive knife. A beehive knife is what this is. Looks like maybe it's going to work. Let's see here. That's all that adhesive that's on the back of that. I don't know how clean it's got to be, but it's pretty thick. It's on there. Let me work on this a little bit and I'll check back in with you here. I know the lighting is not very well over here, but anyway. We've gotten most of it off. There's still a little bit there. You see that? So I'm going to try this goof off and see if that'll take it down a little bit more. Maybe we'll let that sit on there just a second. See if that'll make a difference. Well, that's definitely getting a little bit more of it off. It's real sticky. That's definitely breaking that adhesive down. I mean, it's coming off there. I mean, it's almost like a booger. Yeah, this goof off is really breaking that down. I don't know if it has to be that clean because there's some adhesive going back on there, so. It's definitely better than it was. Yeah, that's definitely getting it. So a combination of that goof off and this totally awesome product. You can get these on my Amazon store. They're in there. But this is really good. It's not too abrasive on this finish on the RVs. It's a good cleaner, all-purpose cleaner. Yeah, I think that's good enough. All right, I'll get the rest of this cleaned up and we'll come back with you. All right, we got the majority of this all cleaned up. That's a little hard to see with. See if I can turn a light on there. A little bit, but majority of that's cleaned up. There's a little bit left on there, but it's going to be covered up, and I think it's going to be okay because there's a new adhesive on the back of the new seal. Here's the new seal. Oh, it's got that adhesive on there. I just need to cut it to size and get it put up there. So let me work on that. All right, here is the old seal that went up there. So I'm gonna lay that down on this slide out topper, the old slide out topper that we took off and put on the big slide out. So we did that. This is the new seal. Looks like they sent me a whole roll. I hope this is right. It's a little bit different. Yeah, I think it'll work. All right, I just need to cut it to size here. Okay. I'm just going to cut this with a razor blade. Okay. I'm almost inclined to leave that flap on there, but I don't know what that's going to do. Maybe I'll leave this one on. So I cut that flap to match that. They took theirs out. I don't know if you have to take them out or not. All right, let's see what we got here. Yeah, I think maybe you do want to take it out. You don't want that to get caught in those teeth of the gears. Pull it back in. Disaster. I think I'm going to start from the top. All right, I think that's probably good enough. Okay. Yeah, I can see where that does need to be cut all the way out of there, pretty sure. So that doesn't grab. I'm just putting it on the very edge of this corner here, so that's where the other one was. there it is. You definitely want to make sure you cut all that back. And I didn't, so I'm going to go up there and cut the rest of that back. This one I did cut. This is what you want. I'll make sure that that's not going to get snagged by those teeth. I could have made that a little smaller, and I wish I did. I kind of wish I would have waited till now to cut it off, but I'll know next time. Anyway, it looks good. I think that'll seal it up. Okay, another successful project. I think that's going to work out good. We got that new seal on there. I'll check the rest of the seals. I knew this one was, it was actually coming off, so I knew it was bad. Anyway, I think this is where we're going to end this video. Thanks for watching Rolling Country Outdoors. Scott and Ann here. You have a good evening, and we'll catch you in the next video. Take care.